importance of risk management in trading. Well, besides controlling your mind, this is the second most important thing to do when trading and have in your trading plan. You need to know what type of risk you're risking, dollar amount, percentages per trade, as well as when to move your stop loss, how to control risk while in a live trade, and all of that. So let's dive into the charts. We're going to go into our last example. If you haven't seen that video already, we had this setup, right? So what you want to do is have areas of where you're going to take partials, where you're going to move your stop loss and all that stuff. So we had our original stop loss above this EMA and above the VWAP, right? So both of those, that's where we're going. Stop loss is there. Now, as price broke below this level right here, my stop loss is now moved all the way till right above. So you can see this fair value gap. This red line, that candle right above it, that wick, that's pretty much break even. That's where I'd move that stop loss. Once it broke through here, I'm also taking partials right here, closing half, 60, 70, 80% of my trade, whatever your system is. Stop loss is at break even. I already locked in profits. And then every swing that's broken after it, so pulled back, broke it again. Now my stop loss is now here. So if it does go against me, I'm already way in profits for the rest of my position. Again, pulled back, pushed down. Now my stop loss is right above here. Pulled back, broke down. Maybe I didn't like how it was shallow. Pulled back, broke down again. Now my stop loss is down here. And we ended up hitting our full profit shortly after that. So that is how I manage my risk in trades, get my profits, trail it down, but at key areas where if price goes back up above these two, I'm most likely out of a trade. I don't want to be in it anymore. That's a pretty big pullback. We're back in this area again. So be smart, manage your risk, know areas, know where you're looking for. When price moves, if it moves this way, where's your next level you don't want to be in a trade anymore? It moves again, where's the level you don't want to be in a trade anymore? Moves again, where don't you want to be in a trade anymore if it pulls back? And then you'll kind of trap price into your profit. Now, if you do it too tight, for example, if I moved it here, then here, then here as soon as price broke, for this example, I would have been good, right? Then price broke again, and then I moved it here. Would have been very, very close. Price broke through. It hit our take profit, but let's just, for example, let's say we're in it, right? Moved it here, price went down. Moved it here, price went down again. I got stopped out, but guess what? Price ended up continuing down lower. So I did trail it too much right there, right? My last area would be here. If I was being super aggressive, I would have put it here, but because of the fair value gap up here, I would have put it here, last case, and let it ride towards my profit. So go back test your strategies. Have, like, when you're back testing, be live in the trade. So click a couple candles out, and then you're like, okay, I took profits here. Where would my stop loss be? You could use a horizontal tool. Mine's snapping in, but let's say you moved your stop loss here. Now you know it's here, and if price goes against you. So you want to mimic your back testing as close as you can to real life trading. Obviously, it's not identical with how the candlesticks play, but you could click them out a couple times. All right, profit. You could also do this, so you know that's profit one. Now my stop loss is here, and then you could label them. So I put low-hanging fruit as my first objective. Stop loss, I have a stop loss saved here. It doesn't work on the dark charts because I'm usually on this one, but now you know how to backtest properly and practice your risk management system to make sure it's a profitable system and you're able to get more wins than losses, more profit than losing money out of the markets. And this will get you to become a really great trader with a solid strategy and plan. So if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, click that thumbs up. Click that link in the description for all our resources, trading journals, courses, funded challenge discounts, all that stuff to support us and to keep developing you as a trader. This is your year. Believe in yourself, stick to the plan, continue to grow, and you'll become the trader you want to be.